Message to single fathers. Have a single father message to you. Woman go don't help you finish. Help your life. You can't dey maltreat woman. Now they come for so. Because of say the woman not gonna try again, first they try. Or maybe because say she don't born her body. You know, not say childbirth. They change woman. The time we be never born, if you see me, I fine. The time we I never born, if you see me, I too fine. No, all my shape. Anyway, they go. The time we I never born, I fine well. You understand? But when I come born after childbirth, my body can't change. I not gonna be like before. You understand? But that one not make my husband come they look me less. Single fathers, stop hurting women. Single fathers, stop hurting women. Woman who pick you where you was nobody. Who could not pick you where. That time you not get anything, you be a duro. Woman carry you enter house. Woman stand for you. Woman help your life. At the end of the day, you don't get everything you can't find. I be mona power tap. Nobody do power tap. Mona share this video. Power tap your screen, guys. The time where government want pursue you come up for house. The time where government want pursue you. You there at Duro house. You can't see woman. We carry you. Say no worry, we'll make her together. Oh, do I not they treat those women anyhow. Men, single fathers, choose less one. Have a single father be my because you don't they see another woman for outside. You can't they treat woman will stand for you anyhow. I beg not one. What you are supposed to learn, what you are supposed to get from the brain, say, the time we are not be anybody, which woman carry you? Some men, no, they are very good, though. Any woman will stand for them, will help them. They're not they throw away them, or those are good men. Those are responsible men. When I don't want power, okay, you go on. When they look my face, you go on. You go on because now some women and some men are there be the problem. You go on. I'm not saying that true now they talk. Don't treat the mother of your children anyhow. And some women also they're not still good though. Some women see they treat my way stand for they don't treat somebody. Yeah, way not me will say negio and we call. If you see that person for fine, no treat them bad. Not treat them bad. Make we all learn how to support each other, be there for one another. Because many men, some women, out of men and women, now some men are wicked past some women. Maybe out of 100 women, maybe now only 20 women. I not talk again. I want to give this advice for free. Don't treat your wife bad, please. Especially with children are already involved. If children don't involve, don't treat your wife bad. Correct your wife. There are some kind of things when me I want to do. My husband will say, no, not do this thing, not do it. I'll listen to her. And women, listen to your husband, please. If you love that man, is the father of your children, listen to him. If he's talking, listen to him. Because we all want to make a good home, make a good marriage. You know, let us listen to our husband. Or let's say our husband we not good. Not listen to man we not good though. Gbadebra Emma, no ma Erioko veje, oko nema Emma. Now single father I come for. But I will say it the way it is. Respect your husband. Me wait dey here so. They don't saga me and my husband, saga me, bully me, do everything. But because of the love we have for each other, it still keep us going. I wish we don't love each other. We know day to day. Let us try our best to make. Hello? My lady. Hello? Good evening. You want to contribute?
No, I just the answer. I don't know. I not to understand.
Now message to single fathers and single mothers and everybody in short. We all have to let us make our marriage work. You understand? Because many men, if they see another woman for outside or when they maltreat their wife, they need to stop it. You understand? That be the topic. So, wait till you get to talk. Mona power tap,
But that's the aspect of respecting man and make some men they respect their wife.
Yes.
A very nice topic.
Yes.
A good topic.
Wife, respect your husband. Man, also respect your wife. I don't like a broken home, my sister. I don't like it, especially when children are involved.
Yeah, but Sister Esther, what you need to still understand is you see this life with this, so you not feel change.
Power tap, I beg, power tap.
You not feel change adults. For example, now a man, the way you talk, a man get wife for house, he can't get side chick or another baby mama for outside. Because of that, a baby mama or a side chick waiting for outside, you can't disrespect your wife.
It's not good. It's not good.
Look down on your wife. That thing, you not feel expecting that woman can't respect that man.
I understand. Me too, I don't respect that man. I will only respect you if you are doing well. You respect and love your children. Not the same thing, my sister.
So me now, I be mother. I know what I'm saying. You understand? Now you bring the topic come as I just say I contribute.
Okay.
No woman will respect a disrespecting man, a man, a cheater. The only woman will not get choice. Well, now you still manage, I not get where they go, or I not get money, I not pay my house rent, I not feed. Or same they also the manager because now the man I be everything for house.
Yes. Yeah. Power tap, guys, please. Wala wowo. If you don't like me, I don't feel tell you not watch me because I dey make sense for you. I beg. If you like me, power tap, share the video. My sister, with the year you God go bless you, my love.
So if a man they take care of you, for this Europe, for example now. For this Europe, women not to they put eye for man money. When the woman they get her own small change. But at that time when we say this time maybe you can't get love jam woman when they dependent on herself. You need to respect that woman, value that woman, cherish that woman.
No call they carry women, they disturb them. That one I mean not like.
You understand? But many men they don't even care about the woman's mental health. They don't even care how the woman will feel. They don't care. Not only their own happiness that they find, and they don't care about the woman's happiness. You understand?
Yes.
I don't see many married men. They will get fine, beautiful wife, hardworking women. When they say then their wife safe, they never they give their wife money. They will still go they follow another single mother or another girl.
It's very bad.
And the woman will constantly know. How you think say the woman can't respect you?
You know feel respect. Me, I not feel respect that kind of man, my sister.
How you confidently make the woman can respect you? As a woman, if you get a sweet, nice, caring, respectful husband, use her hold her way.
Olamo.
Use her hold her way. As we days, if I get man, we be say is responsible, is hardworking. I'm not going to ask her money. I'm starting me they work, I get my money. I'm not going to ask her more. But if you get children together, you need to use his sense to know say you need to contribute for the children life. But for me, I don't need the contribution or anything from him. But the children, you have to take care of the children. But if the man is good, sweet, we will not be able to call ourselves. We feel you get small argument, don't go away argument. We feel you get small argument.
Una fit fight, una settle, and you yourself go one piece. You know one problem because the man they try.
You get not be man when he say you know they try. Let me say misbehave. You know, nothing to be for some women. Some women think they get good husband though. They not see.
They don't get character.
They don't get character.
No, they misbehave.
You understand? So if you get good one, hold on well.
Hold on, well, not leave am because the man way no the man way no they try way is kaput na full outside. Yeah, man, na full outside. Exactly what my sister they thought so not true. Oh, we will be women, we will learn. Forget saying that me they do this video, but I want everybody to be happy. I am experiencing happiness. I want you also to be happy. Even our sister where they talk here, so that God go bless you. Because you they speak the truth, they talk truth.
And another thing where they be say, another thing I want to say talk be say, not be all woman, not be all woman when they decide to be a single son, not be all decide to be a single mother. So now the situation.
Now put them.
In the situation, they make them decide to be a single mother. Because you cannot be with a man when they give you happiness, when they disrespect you, when they cheat on you. You understand? And you know that you are not comfortable with that kind of situation. So if you have any alternative, say you want to leave that marriage, you leave. And maybe person call it a single mother. And
not met that person, yo. Anybody will go talk about single mother, go here and boy. Because what is single mother they see for, but they always have a mirror.
No, you mind that person.
Yes, no.
And what me say, see hate about some single mother. They go maybe their husband not good to. They'll come leave the man. They don't say the man not good to them. They shit. They do this one. They'll come still leave the man. They'll see they follow another woman. They drag their own husband. And that's it. Many some, not be all. Some.
My sister, let me tell them, say every woman get your husband. Patient. You go get your own. Not go carry useless man because you dey single. No, not trying.
So,
yes.
So things they happen, they get.
Yes.
So, if
make I follow you, my sister. I never follow you. I don't follow you now.
No, I will follow you back.
I don't follow you. Because they make sense.
I don't think come your platform like twice. I make it 3 times so I don't come your platform. But I changed my name. I changed my name. So
I don't follow you. Follow me. You get sense. So let me follow you. Who they call her now? I'm gonna leave her make she talk. Should they make sense?
So I bet they be that. If you don't see the single mother, you leave your husband because of 1 or 2 circumstances. Don't go follow. No, go they follow another woman. They drag your husband.
Leave that useless money. Because if the man good, they no even toast. You know follow you for the first place because he get woman. I like my sister. He not going to follow you.
And the woman, the other man husband you want to follow. You don't know how the woman take it, and she's not going to pray good prayer for you and to start with.
And then it not go better for you also. You know, say this man get wife, you go the choke head. Not do one, man.
And if because of you, when be single mother, another woman leave you home because of you. The swear when the woman will swear for you day and night, eh? No native doctor, no part of it back come off for your body.
Not be lie.
No native doctor, no part of it back come off for your body. Now that one a generational cause.
No cause another woman pain.
Generational cause. As we did so, I don't feel date married man. They get. I don't feel
yes.
And as we did, if person ask me say, have you date married man before? To start with, this is social media. I don't care who they listen or not they listen. I don't date one Oyibo they get. I date the man. The man tell me say never marry. No, so you go see they lie.
They lie. If they want make the knock woman, so you both they learn and so that kid they lie. All of them they go lie to you to deceive you. Make the for free chop that quickness.
He say he don't marry before, he didn't get the kid, but he and the woman not date together. Don't say based on so you be that now you still need money from them. You understand? You still need survivor. That's no problem because you see they try. But you can't you say every time you say my kiss. I mean not say normal. If as if say normal, as if say the woman
power tap and share, guys. I dey hear you.
The woman will still call her. You get me so? The woman will call the husband for my present. Go pick the call. But nothing like relationship, nothing like saying they married. You they get me so? You have to talk. Vale, you don't end call. You know you talk like husband and wife. Like me, if I get money to discuss some kind of discussion. Not I just talk or 2 minutes, 1 minute. I don't call. So me and I'm not gonna look at it. Maybe it gets we they get.
Yeah, so I did get you, my love.
Later. This is not before me come no say. When me even say no say he and his wife see they. I don't already live one, but his wife come finally come and say, say the same say the man they always they call me. Say she know. He said because when the man they call me, say the man they call me when
his wife not the house.
No, his wife if his wife present, they call me. They get, and me don't know because he said he not get wife. He said the year with husband, he tell me say he not get wife. He say don't divorce. You understand? He say which is woman now they tell me now say she here when the man they tell me say he not get wife. Say and they say he and the wife don't separate. Say na lie, the man dey lie. He says she not go blame me because a man when he say lie and for he say even for our own present, the man will say they tell me say he not get wife and she sit down for there with his man.
Please get power tap, please. Power tap. Yes,
so
I did hear you.
That kind of aspect now. Will you blame me? A man when be say for the present of his wife.
You go to deny your wife.
He not get wife. You understand? So when the woman tell her say I'm sorry, because right from when I was young, I vowed say nothing go make me follow married man. Because me, the question, I come from a polygamous home. You know how they be now.
Yes, now you know what do.
I know they do. For me to do my date, may be single mother. It's better.
Single mother is even better than some married women will not get joy, get happiness. Even like a depression when you I know what I they talk.
You
I know.
So I can say as the woman tell me, I'm gonna say me no worry, say me don't already live. I don't already live. See me as a man not taking, which is me and a husband not taking. Say I don't live. You see me cannot just call me. That's why say why you not call me since. Ever since when you know, why you not call me? He said they fear the man because the man they cater for everything for house. So now the man they cater for everything for house. Maybe if you want
not be your fault. Now the man I useless.
I say sorry my sister. The woman say no, say the way I can talk to her, I be nice person. I be not say don't worry. Wait till I know say person no. Wait till I know say.
And you don't want make person do it to you. You don't want to do it to another person. Many women are like that, and God will bless you for that.
So that's what this matter can say. That woman can they praise me, can they pray for me. I say no, I say no problem. Everything's okay.
Even some of our women, my sister, they go no, they will see chuked because they find already made of young boo.
I put me away I know sign down. I'm telling you, I know go send. So because everybody get the way they day. Me, I know the house for me for common. So they say, you know, polygamous and the first wife, second wife, before they fight, the third just want jealousy, everything. You know,
yes, nah.
You can't say, make I can't put my children.
God forbid.
Nobody wear it down. You understand?
Yes.
Nobody wear it down. You even say I born for man, say I can't know say the man they behave like that, my sister. I dey wrong, it was
yes, now for your mental health.
Not go there, It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Now say just be my love. God go bless you.
Now live with our husband, and the first person you wanna want square.
And it's very bad. It's very bad. Mona found our own husband. At the end of the day, now shame and disgrace. Oh, why yakbayevare?
And one thing I just see hate, they say, some women, when they know so the man again work for, they're going to do something that they're good pass.
Yaga women ya fe ne no me na wune odo fun wa we. E ya gwa lodo bowe.
And that's not maybe wife gets children. They will pay light bill, pay water bill. You don't know how she will manage things for her so that money will serious. They do one or two things with they still need.
You know, say Europe wife and with the marriage well, especially if you love that man, you go marriage. Me at the marriage well, my sister.
But,
I know a life for you.
Because I know, we know. Wife for her, they manage. You see all those side chick and all those single mothers.
They're not the marriage. The man go Congo, they carry your money, they give them.
No, the married man, not they give the single mother one. A single mother, they give married man money.
Not be all. So see, useless single mother. Yeah, they giving you no, yeah. The one win that man to them. They are safe. So see, go useless mothers. If I dey like mona send request now, make I look. I know what say I dey talk. So useless single mother, they use money, they entice men.
Yes, there plenty.
There many, They use money, they entice men. Oh, you know, say the man get wife and children, now they your eye. It's very bad.
Money and food, now they use money and food.
They'll come they cook a gile, waiting they not they eat before. They'll come they not be say if they even win the match, they'll still continue that thing. But they'll use one for that beginning. I like my sister. They not go continue Ramo, but that beginning they want show to the man made for leave his wife. At the end of it, they'll come frustrate the man life.
Maybe your wife shout around for her, see you run go meet side chick.
You see.
The side chick will call the come out and give her beer, give her Guinness.
Can you imagine?
Give her make you join her. Now they sleep with. Now they knock the man self. They'll say now they go do the work when the man last.
Yes, nah. They go try to do everything to keep another person, man. My sister, you are useless. Umenwan.
That's what they do. And they say not anything with person so.
He must reap her. Because at the end of the day, my sister, you they try to do all this thing to win another person, man. You are a foolish person, woman. Person will guess enough to do that kind of thing. And you know where they do the thing? Woman will be say he don't carry a duro man, con epa as in already made man. You know, say man way don't clean, don't fresh, he don't gallant. That's one women. Now they do that thing too. But man way never duro not get they not they do it to Ramu. I lie.
Oh, is fine boy now.
Fine boy. Before that man, fine, not be woman did them. We'll talk true. Women, please try and behave yourself. At the end of the day, anything what you do to any woman at all, now karma, you must follow your life. You not go get peace. It's better you just carry man, even if na duro you not get level, carry a man and build together. You know say that one are your own. You know say that one are your own. You just say men not get sense. Now let some useless men wey not get sense, central men. Now they do that thing. I lie. So men, they if woman suffer follow them, they go deal with that woman. I lie. They'll say no. Yet you work you know, but I can yeah go mako. They'll say my wife not they use and play with anybody.
You know, see one video when showcase for TikTok that time when you say the girl they from one man car. he can't do TikTok video. He can't say, hey, the man, when you see man, see the video and the man shout, delete this video. Do you want to destroy my home? Delete this video. I don't know that you see.
Now God, I see her. Now God go bless that man. Now so many way get sense. Now so they're supposed to behave.
Do you want to spoil my home? Delete this video. Do you want to spoil my marriage? Delete it. You want them sharp.
That man a good man. I know if he thought say my husband now 100% say no they knock for outside. But if they respect me for where I did. If he do I know I don't know. I bet if he even see and they not tell me. As far as they respect the family, they work, they misbehave. Not tell me. You understand? But the one way they misbehave, go come carry another woman. Come your house. They talk to his wife any year. Having see go for David or go here soon. I want saga single fathers because they always a saga single mother. When single mother something have talk buwawa, something have talk buwawa. Because many single mothers they never expected they would be single today, but they go meet down. My sister, if I like correct me, I feel because I'm open to correction.
No, you are right. Bad which is bad head, go down bad man.
Hey. Because I'm open to correction. Wait till I not talk when you tell me I'll correct myself. But I know wait till I don't say let me they talk this thing. Whether they talk so. Single fathers, change your bad attitude, your evil heart. Woman go don't suffer and follow you. Because now children they always they deal with their mother. Their mother no can't get free chance. Go get they concentrate. They not can they use her against them. It's not good like that. Because now two of them and I born the picking. It's not good. I don't know whether you understand my sister, eh? I stand for single mother. I want to fight for single mother. Oh, go here, single father, no man understand.
You know what you when they be say this Nigeria, this especially we, you understand?
Yes.
You see, when woman want to take action, they'll say this woman a bad person. And what they do to wishes, the waiting our men they do to our women, fear not go let the trial with Oyibo, fear not go let the trial with
Oyibo they use them.
Because for instance, if they marry Oyibo now, once they misbehave, Oyibo don't file the case, go court. You will pay the children money.
Yes.
But if you see many single mothers for this Europe, we see our people, many men they don't even know how their children they get pampers.
God will bless you. They not go even want even pay that child benefits. If no go and not pay. They don't want pay.
But when the woman now take legal action and carry the go court.
Because they're a bad woman.
This one a bad woman.
Any man will go to say this one a bad woman. Was send there go any saga no soon. A single mother master you wa master generation was soon wagbon. Not be your mates they do well with your wife. If you learn from person where they do well, then they forbid.
No.
They forbid. My sister I lie. Some men are really good. Why some useless men? They'll come they drag their baby mama. But now their character and that cause some. I don't know whether you understand what they try to explain for you. Your mates, they will love their wife. They take care of their wife, their children. They put their children first. Their wife. Okay, if you not gonna put your children first, so you want to push first because of another woman, Pekus. Because of another woman, Pekus, you can't maltreat your children, your wife. Most of them, they don't even get document, they don't get anything. The woman go stand, they go fight. Or now, maybe better for my husband. Maybe better for my husband. At the end of the day, you can't treat her. Because say you don't get everything. It not go better for you. Yeah, man. So yeah, man. The men you my sister. Yeah. And the funny part, yeah, wound that you accept. Rano will go here na so agbele yan popa. A single father wa me ware na ya ga mo gungbu wa so ya mo gungbu wa.
You don't see easy boy. A Europe women pekus. Europe women pekus. Then they do content. And in a single father.
You see? You see?
Not be Sonia born for Sonia waiting for Italy.
You see? Now single father. Oh. What is the difference between single father and single mother? At the same title. But they always put everything to the women. If any women not to buwa, because at the end of the day, some women they will really want to stay, even that abuse, that bully, they would see they beg you with everything. If I no go on that value, I could do ya this. Anybody will go cost me for it. Yeah, I'm a bug with you. Because not what they do. Not the two they do. See somebody don't come and they cost women. Me why will yeah one more but big be and my name yeah, because me I get sense. I don't feel classify everybody. If I classify everybody, which my husband still there inside. But because my husband not be like that, then I'll say some men, single father, where they bully women. Oh, go here, boo, what soon. You understand me? They don't do they do. Yeah,
you know, sit down where the German money with the 60 pots.
That one they can't give her money.
Yeah, 60 pots. So that one they come and they talk.
And as on useless single mother, I say they give her money. I mean single mother no more they go to.
They know they work now. They
don't know.
When you are working, your sweat, so you have to calculate how you spend it.
Yes. Yeah, we now. Oko no ki we na no ke le ni gbe o we gbe kiviri a.
You imagine na we feel me pa o worry. We handle here even no
just no ne gbe ma ho.
When I have a lot of responsibility, you me want to dash me want to be Nigeria cannot dash me one cent today.
There was one video I did to me do lele in a way, me no the enemy me worry name I just the people. I did that video. You understand? Imam me bought a party nijo last now. A lot of people give me gift. They give me an space give you your own but then I was also happy. You understand it now? Because my feel way mama like him, but people who love me, they are more. But maybe my chicken, yeah, you won't go so we are rather. But we mad up by a man like you, you'll be feeling bad. But at time, let's wait patiently. God know the best and the best time. And my sister, Eminutana, Eddie go when any idiot, especially when it come to a useless man. Eddie go when now, Eddie near.
No, me, I mean, in me now they do donation. I know they donate anything because imagine I'm not. I get children. I get children. Also because I get children. My last born now. She's just 2 years old.
Very, very young.
She never even reached 2 years when I started to stress myself.
They work. Just to make ends meet, to take care of your children. Udo ya mu go ni no ruon pa ne gbe ma ko no sun.
For person, when we get a lot of responsibility, children, they consume.
Yeah, that's what my own be for you. Oye when I me gbe ige ba agi kwa we webo because I always see the needs. They don't they eat African food though. They don't they eat now Igbo food, chicken wings, pommes, pizza, all those things. That they eat and it's very expensive.
They consume. Every weekend I will carry my son follow, but they will tell me say want eat this. You want wait till they touch, that they cost pass. Wait till you like, that they cost pass.
Mona power tapi, amana tamu wa power tapi.
I don't talk say okay, near there, you wait there because they say wait till person is so, then they reap.
Yes, nah. No, I had to go when they useless people online, or maybe a baby father no mind or don't know one or ya work for it. You put it on your children, invest it on your children. Your children will pay you back in 100-fold in the mighty name of Jesus.
I will repeat.
Yes, now. I was so selling no more. What you selling no more?
In normal circumstances, my sister. If I be some women, they only winner. Yeah, only young winner. We remember with 2 years, just 1 year and a half. Now I deliver for her. Sometimes I go for the fee for her. I say, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? Because it's not that easy now. Leave the kid for one so many hours. Come on.
No easy. Oh.
So you want to go to
They throw away your money for waiting. I don't know. I better not try and my sister. Oh.
I go buy pampers. That money don't reach to buy pampers, buy things.
Yes, now.
You go pampers. I come and won't talk. You see some women for this Europe self. Even begin never reach 2 years. They don't stop for the way they pampers.
Some women really get power. Oh. My children are 3 years, then they say they stop.
Pikin never reach 2 years, don't change pikin pampers because they look and say if they buy something, they can't buy pampers. Money.
You go for pampers they there now, baby milk they there, everything they there. Things don't change. You don't be like before.
I see they wear her pampers till now. I see they wear her.
Now 2 years now. You're supposed to wear at least like 3 years.
Next year now will be when I will stop her. She'll be 3 years.
Yeah. Now so me say they stop now. 3 years. I don't know how people say they stop their pikin we never grow papas. They'll say 2 years. It's not the happen. No. You go see peace.
1 year and a half.
I don't know, Sha. I don't know how they take it down. My pikin, my children now 3 years. My daughter stopped with 3 years. My son stopped with 3 years. Nah.
Me, I'm not fit because the reason why I'm not fit. So I say, stop. I say no. Make she still because I want make she fit. When she say she fits the warrior, she'll fit me say, Mommy, I want to pee. They get me so. I yes. Say I go and pee. She will know how to go bathroom by herself because now the same thing I do. Now the same thing I do to my son.
Yes.
Just imagine. I bought my daughter, my son and my daughter, they wear these different pampers.
Okay, 1 year has let the thing in 1 year.
No, not be 1 year. My son used 2 years testing you.
But that is small now, true, Sha.
Yeah, that is small because that one my son never stop pampers when I take for my daughter. I go buy my son pampers size 5. I go buy my
small one, yes.
I call it one. Also, I call okay. It can express a feeling. It's okay. Yeah, I want to pee. I want to do this and that. So yeah, you want to pee or you go to bathroom? Go to pee. Anytime you want to pee, you have to go to bathroom. You want to anything you want to do, go to bathroom. It's okay, no mommy, no problem. And it catch on very fast because it don't get sense.
Yes, it does still get at least from 3 years. That one is stinginess, so you are not helping that child. At least 3 years. A pikin don't know what they do. You understand? No help or whatever. Nobody to help you. At least try. Women where they your mother they learn 3 years is okay for you to change your children papas. Not force them because now your bed now go they smell peace. You understand? Some people they know the truth, they don't talk about. At least from 1 to 3 years you can stop your baby pampers. But from 1 to 2 years, that pikin go the piece for your bed. Or let's say you go buy a rubber bag. You know, say they sell rubber bag now, then you know you are stitching. Let's say the truth.
But every night you go the piece now.
You go the piece now. So people, if they talk truth, they know they understand or they zoo, but we are speaking the truth. Only mother that can tell you the truth. A good mother will tell you I experience everything good. But a bad person, you never see them for this online. So fake life. You don't talk.
Many people they live.
Neither they live, they know they talk true, they know they go straight.
Like me now, my sister. For many months now, my natural hair now they carry on with one whole back. The day when I
now some my own still be but I can't put cap. You don't see my own.
Yeah.
Now natural hair, but I can't put cap. So I not just want to leave her like that because my front hair way does shop. Let me put this one now.
The day when I just see like I just see not be me, not be I not get hair, but that we don't I get small children from hand now. Come that stress, when I come sit down, when I come they fix my hair, you know. The thing will just they make me ask my begging. When I just wash my hair with a natural yasta.
Yes.
So far the hair they need, I dey wash her every 2 weeks. Or once in 3 weeks, I take with one. Small. Not finish, oh. You know, see, maybe I don't so keen and I want to stay house. I don't want to wake up early morning again, they come up for house. I'm so okay. When I don't drop them for school, I will get chance to go do my hair, see look different. If I do hair finish and I was okay, make I don't carry them for school. I don't say no picking go there on the stress me because only weekend now they get chance. And that weekend I live with my children. Now I want to go do hair.
No, you know if you get that chance, so unless maybe you not get holiday.
Yes, yeah. So many things you have to do this, you have to do that, you have to do many things at home. Many times we are doing it, they get for the children because once when I still observe, we say house where children day, that house need to do 100% needs.
Yes, now. It's not easy for a working class mother. It's not easy. You can't clean the house, cook, do everything. It's not easy. It's not be like Nigeria where you get help. Help not there you. And help for you is very expensive. Now hours, now they take the work.
Yeah, they do everything. Once I just come back, I just sit last. As I carry their come for school and they won't tell it. As they will sit down for parlor, me now I don't go kitchen. I don't prepare the food. After they prepare food finish, me don't wash all the plates when I use. I don't wash everywhere.
That's so now. God will strengthen you, my sister. God must strengthen you. God must bless you and your children because you are a good mother. The way they talk, God will bless you. You are a good mother. Any good mother that sacrifice for his children must pay them back. His children must be a better children in future to love and cherish their mother, to do everything for their mother. Because it's not easy. Abroad not be like Nigeria. Difference there. Very big difference. In Nigeria, you feel get person where you give money, we go help you cook, clean, cook. But you know they abroad now, we they do things by ourselves. Now we they do things. Don't worry. Where you go eat the fruit of your labor. Who are what to? Why is it where we bow away? Anything you sow for your child, you must repeat. Everybody watching me now. Anything you sow for your child, you will repeat in the mighty name of Jesus. Because some mothers, they don't sabi do all those things. That is why we are doing all this video. Try to do everything for your kids. No matter how hard it is, no matter, do it. Don't worry. God will reward you. God will reward you. Now, Europe life, like she just explain, no. She go work. She go come take care of house. Come do. Now, Europe life, now what we all they do? I lie. If I lie, say it. Any mother doing this, sacrifice for their children, for them to get a better life, everything, you must reap the fruit of your labor. So shall it be. In the mighty name of Jesus. Any woman who sacrifice, you are working. It's not easy to be a working class and also be a mother in this Europe. It's not easy. Not be everybody the fish Esther. If I lie, more now tell me say I dey lie. I'll just shut up. Now try they talk. It take a good woman, a responsible mother, a responsible person to do it. It's not easy now. Even some women, they will be say that they house in go clean. Some women there for this Europe. They're not they sabi clean, they're not they sabi, but you will still go or you will still sacrifice, still do everything. God will bless all mothers. Any woman that is sacrificing for their children, God will bless you. Your children shall be a blessing. Your children shall be a blessing. Now, some man go still be a blessing because I see they try. Let's do it. Thank you, my lady, for the gift. Our children shall be a blessing to us because women are really doing too much. Thank you so much. Our children will be a blessing to us. No matter what, let's do it. They will still grow up and do the same to us in the mighty name of Jesus. Nobody, no evil eye go see our children. No evil person go see our children. Our children, they know say we suffer follow them now. They go do the same thing to us in the mighty name of Jesus. It's not easy for abroad. You wait in Nigeria, they look them. But so imagine here Tamiya. Our children will be a blessing. We really suffered. We really do everything. Thank you, my lady. We do all we can, everything to help our children. It's not really easy for abroad, though. And nobody, they tell them, my sister, what's abroad be, oh. Now, so they complain that they're hungry. Now, lie. Abroad now also they pass. Now, of our day pass. But we are doing it, we are packaging because we already sacrifice ourselves to help our people. We already sacrifice. We don't they too complain like that. They always they try to help them, but they don't know what we are going through here. My sister, I lie.
You don't lie, you're not the truth. Must be that now.
Not the truth. Some people know they talk the truth, but it's that time we have to be talking the truth so that they will know that it's also not easy for us. It's not so. What did this one write for you? What did he write? He said, "Go tell easy boy, only wune. Forget easy boy. You know easy boy. Easy boy now that useless boy where they insult Europe women. I be mona remove easy boy come up for here. I beg. Easy boy only wune. Only one boni.
Get baby mama for IT now.
You see, mona forget easy boy only wune. That one life they don't kaput, it don't spoil. One year see back being equal. So let's be praying. If you are here, you are watching me, you are in Nigeria, be praying for your sister, your brother abroad. This abroad not easy, but we are just trying. You're gonna be like, say, we would there abroad with those kind of people we be say we just put ourselves, say we chase everything for our family, no matter what we can do. But at times, person will still chest you need your prayer. It's not easy for us for you. It's not easy. Now person go work, he go come back, or the bag he be, or the clean no what the women ya. Oh yeah, work boy. But for Nigeria, if you go work, you must get nanny. We will come help you clean. We go help you cook. Take off your children. You not there here for you. You not there abroad like that because at the end of the day, you know if you pay. If I lie, Mona they thought say Esther you they lie. You know if you pay, you know how much.
For hour when they say some all those people when you take care of old people or children, some they charge €10 per hour. Why some they charge? If it's too small, na €7 per hour.
Which country be that one?
Na Spain.
Cheap for that side. Our own are €14.
And also now they different.
You know, say na Germany a day. Our own are €14.
No,
the cheapest, so the cheapest now they tell you so. Some people they where they collect €18. Some people they where they collect €24, €23. The cheapest is 14, 15. You know why that person will collect that money? Because he not get the experience, not go school. That is hospital, he not do the as how they call her. You know what it be hospital now? As he not go to school. Now go collect €14 for Germany. You not get certificate. If you get certificate, you not collect €14. Spain on good though. It's still cheap. Okay, how much should they get for what you come when they pay €7 or €10?
They not say you not use jam I take compare.
Mona power tap beg. Mona share. We are talking reality here. Europe life. Who will day here? May God bless all the Europe women in the mighty name of Jesus. Here we more giving now. Here we more family now. It's not easy, oh. It's not easy. Who don't mock ya no my neck be no zua. We don't more buy. All the stress go day your head. I'm telling it to the world today. Europe woman is one of the strongest woman on earth. If I lie, can't tell me say I lie. Though they tell say Africa they not they support. Okay, yeah, they help, they support, but your sacrifice is more than the woman living in Nigeria. Your sacrifice. Now inside there you for send your mama money, send your brother money, help them. You can't carry them, join your own wala. You don't forget wala for you. You can't carry another person wala put joiner. You see that Europe women, they are the best. They are really trying. They are trying. It's not easy, eh? If it easy, may you Chester.
Africa not be like that because Africa, you will get a neighbor, which is your neighbor, or your family member, or your grandma.
We go help you.
Maybe your mama now, which is your parents now, not there has a command. And then you say, go your
Power tap, guys. Power tap, please.
Or go my auntie house, go steal. Or go my neighbor house. Neighbor, I go to some place like this, so we make my daughter go stay with you. Say, okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Say, okay, no problem. But yeah, umana saniya.
They'll call police for you now.
Umana saniya.
Yeah, na so yeah bill. Na so Germany bill. They'll give you problem.
So almost is most you must wasa.
They'll give you problem.
But just to give her something to appreciate and say, I take for the hand of what you still do. You understand? So that's
yes, so yeah, go. Now so yeah, bill. More they appreciate us when they abroad, you know. All abroad now almost the same thing, eh? Almost we are really going through a lot, but we know they put on the rub our face, can they do no, you know they like that. We are trying Europe women. Now Europe women, let me just say nice strong pass for the world.
If the way all those single fathers they come out for social media can they cry, and so single mothers they come out for social media can they cry. Everyone does scatter for this TikTok.
Yes, now. Even here, you meanwhile the busy go further. Now that one be my new content. Because we have to agree.
Even the one where they when go Nigeria they talk for them. If everyone don't come out now, come talk what happen.
You get the video, send that for me now, my love. I beg. I don't see her.
I don't save the video.
Ew.
I just listen to the girl. I just scroll past.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah, I will say you get that for me. You said that for me.
Because the girl there for life. She there for life. Most of the people with the video and the consequences.
Yeah, now because I say you don't know that I for evil screenshot her, screen record and send her or keep her. Because that boy or what's in our be asu gunjo as we say your own soon easy boy.
We tell you gaji or you tell you gaji or we tell you yeah we get in a party Germany. So you if tell you asa ni na sanya ga asa ni na then kadi yele otizi which is easy otion local. Card na so easy na hamiye we iye Italy pay you yeah na fancy based on when you Italy you know okay problem you might we ya pay ni go or you withdraw ni go or you understand.
Yes, I understand.
Oga collect any go we mind.
Can you imagine ogbe easy boy.
Oh yeah, you may know it's no, I'm not so just as I just they talk because the video really long. I just listen, I just scroll past because they don't know who. Let's say don't marry, don't both from that man.
Now make easy boy frustrate. I'm not deported, babe. If they talk say they deported, I'm not sure now they deport her. Easy boy, Oh, water. He say na he deport himself. Na lie. You don't know what you want to talk again. I make a con dey talk say he can't deport himself. She go Nigeria. Na lie. Na they deport her. Easy bomb agboni.
You're deported because in normal circumstances, no matter how the situation no pass through, o ma keke not deported boge. Moreover, what's the normal
No mutia. I'm not responsible now. I'm not bon. Oh, not take off your responsibility, okay? Any man where they run for a responsibility, who was one, no? Oh, my bon. Now, useless man. Yes.
What's the normal patient? I wish our patient, maybe they know who will be.
Beggar, no bell wagmogizi boy. Me, I'm telling everybody, single mother in Europe is better than single father. Single father, they are shameful, they are useless people. They want to maltreat women and treat women bad, and God will punish them. Single mother is the best. I know I'm not single. I don't pray for it. Obviously, you have a boy. Okay, normally women say, oh yeah, I single mother than for me to be with a useless man. Oh, although our friend a different friend. I can't take it. I can't take it. Oh, listen to me today. Portion me oh, but okay, anyway, nobody when you wanna we have a change. If a change, ne. Nyaya ale lozuoro wa. I'd rather remain single. Cut this video, woman talk. No, not be useless people. Why men why? Better they talk, it makes sense. If you like me, you take her. If you like me, you talk sense at the zoo. Even if I'd rather be single than to be with a useless man. We not feel guide the own, protect his wife, protect his children, deal with his children. Do everything to be a good man. It don't take you anything, will not reduce you, we only bless you. We make your life be better. My sister, I told you.
No, the truth.
It like now single mother that meet day after. Anybody will go come the bully single mother go here soon. Because some men they are really wicked. I know some women they still get their for body, but not be all. Now men are worse past women. Now men are worse. Yeah, what me worry now? We are what we yone. They'll start to they maltreat their wife anyhow.
Sometimes they don't say the people sweet past their wife. Oh, no.
You on not the same now, Pekos be oh. Not the same. But yeah, we goosey. They want to do a goosey. They want to do a bolo. A baby wa warm oh. They want to do a goosey. They want to do a bolo. Why you won't hear who and wamanya was soon? Oh, whatever, nin wow, no, beer ye, no, marry. But no one change somehow. No, why you walk here who and wamanya? So many they are very useless. So, walking, but they maltreat people, children here. Don't forget that they get mama, they get sister. They get daughter, so even gave birth to a daughter. If you don't like this video, come on to if you just comment, you want block it where you manare. Not be una mates they treat women right. If you don't comment any rubbish, you want block it where no good with you. You no ma coco we saying if you're not useless. They show my useless. Every time I wait that respect who not be no man. Do you think it's easy to respect to see a woman that will born for you? You easy. If you not get sense, you buy a manare. If I see your comment, you go here and move be you. You no ma coco we saying your woman will born for you, do everything for you, help your life, give you documents. At the end of the day, do a maltreat. It's very bad. I never to see anybody where they fight for women for social media. Let me come. I want to fight for my women. They are trying. They are really a mother. They are queens. They have really tried. You know what they pay me, eh? At the end of the day, I dey respect the both side. Why you dey talk like that? I say some men good. Now be say you they come. Some men they respect their wife. They do everything for their wife. Every time, see ya. Every time. I'm not talking to the good men, no.
Both sides.
Now both sides the day. Now both sides. Respect your wife. Especially that woman don't get children for you. Not because of another to leave your wife. Because you want shop ogbolo. Some men are really shopping ogbolo, but they still respect their wife. Be that part. Even if my husband chop ogbolo now, I not see, I not put up on my, I know scared. I if my friend not tell me, I know listen to you. Because my husband is good. He's doing the right thing for me. Don't tell me I better keep out to you and my husband. But if they bring out to my face, if they disrespect me, not they do what you want to do. Tell me, if I ever see her, any way, this year I go leave her. I'd rather be single mother to be with a useless man with no get sense. I rather prefer to be a single mother. A single mother, Agboma wa ya ba abu adiri yo ma wa. Agboma wa ba ya. Men learn. I don't say you should not cheat. Cheat, but put your wife first. Put your children first. I'm fighting for women. I'm fighting for women. I am fighting for them. Because waugbe. Inu wawe emma. Inu wawe emma. Emma. Who not be bien. So many women will born 3 children, 4, 5, 6. At the end of the day, we'll go here way. Do you remember where go? There are some things I want to do. My husband will tell me, don't do it. I'll listen and rest. Talk to her, even if you not get good character. Tell her, explain her to her, correct her. And most of these men, where they do this thing, they are why good. Because they want their eye don't they another woman, they can't they treat the woman bad. Not be say the woman really bad like that. Now they know where they go. Here do a more yoko new.
Some men, I tell you, some men now that they make their wife to be a bad woman. Because when you keep doing one thing, the woman says, this I don't like it to you, and the man go see they do the same thing. They do the same thing. The woman go provoke. If the woman they respect you before,
no respect you again.
Respect you again. If even they conquer for your head self, because
yes, nah.
Because they look you see like baby.
Yes, nah. Men learn from this video. Don't take it personal. Learn. If you be bad person, change. Change it. No, you are disturbed, man.
They look you say you be just less man. She go regret the day when she met you.
Yes.
She go be arrogant, rude to you. You go say, hey, this one they rude, though. This one not the character. Now you make her.
Now you curse her now. Now what you sow, now you they reap. God will bless you for the truth when you talk. You understand me? Do what you want other people to do to other people. Eru do a wo enu do a matrito wo kan we. Don't try am. Men way they do where they gain now. Men way they do where they gain now, that they enjoy their wife. Now you will be done soon where they never wa. Now you not be the problem. My lady, thanks for joining you. More than no vessel. I want fight for my women. They always say single mother. They don't they always they talk with it cause person to be single mother. The evil women they do, they know they talk her. I don't like her. Hello, my lady. Make her drop. I believe I say no.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening, my sister.
The thing we say, I know say it's painful. Sometimes like that. When they go talk, they go come your life, get what they want, they go leave you. It's painful. But we women, we need to still learn. You understand?
Yes.
Because in a man will be say love you, now go want change you. So
yes.
they go enter the woman life finish. even one small mistake, when don't feel correct, they're not correct to leave her like that. When I don't see the one drop the woman, the one they use that mistake, they say, nah, make her leave her. You understand? Ma?
Yeah, I don't understand you, my sister.
So with the women, we have to try to learn.
You have to learn, oh. Because all these useless people will not get sense, not get on training. Yeah, do I tell single mother gbiju ogbera ogbe o. Ogwo mo ye single mother no sun. If you be good person, why you leave and you turn out to single mother? Ogun gbiju e. You don't know my cocoa we say ni.
It's not too much, eh? Let's see woman they push 4 children.
You go use and born many children. Feeling go live on. It's not good. Me receive sense. It may read no and what did they pay me? This video now they're supposed to share her. They not go share her. They don't go share her. But I go they talk because I be woman. What I don't want. I don't want me to do unto my fellow woman. I don't need that. Not do one. Change your character. Any man way they wash me. Don't do it.
Not too much. Because like say the way that year for Nigeria, the way they carry us from Nigeria time. They don't come reach Europe. They're going to do woman like say woman not be anything.
Can you imagine woman way born for you?
Eh?
Will make you complete man.
Because you're born one boy, born girl. The way they look and say, the thing, eh? We need to learn, no?
If you just see another people say, "What you got soon or soon done or soon woo," then they will. Can you imagine?
Mama. Sometimes, they don't see any pickles. Sometimes the man not get any side chick. He not just like the woman.
Again,
the mission is accomplished. He have to live.
Maybe not the children that you want. Why would you do a thing like that?
Maybe I want children, I want document. I say, which document? Which document? She don't collect her now. You can't put the picking journal for you. You can't leave you.
You only you want to call the battle. And you go call see they curse you, they spoil your name. And you not get what you do now. You only happy life.
If you don't born picking for Jenny, eh? You don't born picking. Picking you born a year, you go school, you go.
Some men day, my sister, make I tell you. Some men day, even if na one picking, now the one way good, not good. You go see they carry you, they go. Go see love you like that. Now then you see some useless men. Woman go born 1, 2, 3, 4. Now then you want to come fool yourself. Useless man, I be that. Talk, my sister, they hear you, but you want to trip that one inside.
No,
that is why not be children they all marriage you. Now just God. Say make God give you good man. That be the marriage. That be the marriage.
If God give you good man, eh? No guarantee go happen. The man no feel live you.
Even if you not feel born, say go see can carry you they go. Yes, even if now one, not be better to born 5 children, 300 children. Now they make man they love you. That is just the fact. So men too useless.
Mama, some of them say, eh? They won't do the man for house with 4 children. The man also love them.
Not be loud.
You not put them for men. For the men, I get not lie you. If you get what you want, you go work out come out. The thing too common.
It too common. The two they do. Let me say the way, you know where I come at. The way they do the insult single mother saying they pay me for body. Let me come out. Single father, Ogondo Bugwa. Ogondo Bugwa. Because a single mother also working and working very now. Without single mothers, no pay life work. Wow, go gbelu wanibu. Iya deport wanibu are in Nigeria. Wana sungu. I bet they insult them, make I insult them. Many single mothers they have sacrificed, do everything for you. Because you don't see another woman, you don't do your eye, you begin to spoil your name, begin to talk nonsense. We go here talk boy. I did listen to you, my sister.
And some of our ladies, our women, eh? You don't fair make one mistake, eh? You fair born one. That one, the man gonna leave you, leave picking. You know, so me you try, me you wash away.
Awaru le rude kia. Ekia nuka unu ya bele money. Mona they get sense so.
Before you know, you don't get belly. And some of them they say, as your friend, maybe you know them or they be your neighbor. You call it and say, this man where they go. So this one, it should not be paper, it come or something. Don't say you they talk your own call. The one call you they compare themselves.
Don't call even they cost you. Some people useless.
They'll say enough here.
Yeah, useless
They're jealous of me, say I don't marry.
No mind them. The marry where you not get peace. What bell?
If you can't set, don't call they cry, can't they meet you. And what you want to do? What if I tell at that time? Now call they happen. Then they make the tea they full ground.
Now concern, now be the truth.
Now
woman, now be woman problem for this.
Mama, one thing about we women, once woman don't make mistake for life, for choosing husband or partner.
Mona share this video, Mona power. Oh, Mona be share waving why a buwa why a konia negbe mewena a konia
in frustration. Once woman don't miss life, don't miss in life as a
many
woman.
of them they depressed or can't depress.
Because if
but no, I don't know. Talk my sister, I don't tire. Now the way they pay me, let me they talk this thing. Me, I support women, no matter what they don't like me. I support una, Mona get sense.
Me, I support. I be woman, no. If they pay me to say that they pass through, but we have to learn. We have to get sense. That be my own. Get sense. Don't just see ma. You just tell you, born for me, born for me, born for me, born for me. You don't want born. If you born now, you can't leave you live speaking.
You fair observant first.
No observant. So people you're born for this Europe, they don't know the man family, they don't know where the man for come. Now Nigeria, they don't know the man family, they don't know where the man for come. They just be born picky for the man.
Yes.
Family they don't know. Home they don't know.
I dey pity una because many of una dey craze. Many of una head not correct again. Many of una don't buy. Many of una that make we they do this video. Even this our sister where they talk. They want everything good for the women. Some people they say women not they support women. Some women they support women. That what they do for years. So we are telling you the truth. Nothing but the truth. That is what we are doing here. My sister beg talk, I beg. I don't tire.
One of my friends
some people don't make me tire for life.
As a woman, you see, ma if he make mistake, he go see his wife carry. Ma go make he go see wife carry. Ma go make go see wife. But you see, woman, once woman don't make mistake, to see you go carry. You know they.
Now God grace and the way you take carry yourself. Carry yourself.
Even though carry yourself, mama. Even though you carry yourself.
If you go school, you integrate, you do everything. Ma go carry you.
Mama, it not be like ma.
Ma they quick, but women they take time. But you go see. Now the way you take integrate yourself, my sister.
If you let me do my integrate, may get private jets. Anyone want to still come, go see look at any her. Then you see ma go see go carry and go love her. Oh my go love and carry and task. You see women. They're going to tell you your past story.
Mona power time, Mona share this video. My sister, they make sense.
They're going to tell you. So I say, woman, make sure say if you first get the king before, if you want to settle down, my sister, look where, pray to God, check where. Don't let love come spark your brain, because they get format that they use. I will marry you, born for me first.
Especially if you see you say you be single mother, he go tell you sweet thing.
If Nigeria with them, man, what you say born for me to marry you? Where you for talk that one?
It not go happen now.
I
bet my sister they talk. I want quick peace. I they call. I want peace. I they call. They talk. Oh, we they hear you.
It not be like that. We can't call you. We just call. I don't know. We just call lose God. Now Africa, we they know like you cannot born without getting married from your father's house. It's not possible. You can't call you up. You're the born picky for person free of charge. Free picky.
If Nigeria say you deal with your parents, you can't carry belly. Your papa, your mom go pursue me, go meet the man.
Before
the man pay your bride price, like the man go pay your bride price. You will there, you will born they go. Until God bless you, you get money, the man go put money for your head. That's why Africa says I need they work. But see this Europe says I don't be like that. Man go, they will get wife, get children, go they follow single mother because of money. Which money you can't find? You see, man will get fine wife, beautiful family. For him now to so maybe put the head on one place, make it take care of your family as happy home. They'll say no, they find single mother they go. And some single mother, they know they use that they see or
Don't
marriage.
peace, so me, I not go peace for body. I go peace, my sister. He has a gay, yo.
No, they use that they see married men. I dey sorry for some single mother we know their self, we be say not be their fault for them to be a single mother.
Yes.
But those ones we say that their fault to be a single mother, don't see the affect as a husband. I'm not in support of that.
Yes. I'm doing this thing for women. We women, let's try and help ourselves. Let's try. Any man that is bullying you, CIA, cross your mind and help yourself. But at the end of the day, you can't enter bully, you can't cry, you can't no, you don't need it.
I said the man go change.
He not go change. The man not go change. Good evening, my sister.
Good evening.
Good evening, my sister.
You want to change the man?
Mama, how you there now?
I did fine, no. I did here for my women. Women are really going through a lot. And I wish I have the power to change it. I would do it. Women, they are
Mama,
really trying.
If not be this person talk, come out. If you not talk with you, they pass through, come out. That person want to know.
No be lie.
I tell you one story about these Europe people. When they make the fellow woman pass me. Many years ago, the men, the slave women for Germany, Italy, which is European, you understand? So they made slave women. Women don't get right to talk. Women don't get freedom of speech. They beat women, they treat women very bad. Even go reach children, like Africa. So that's what this Europe be. But it can't get the year when we say everybody can't do protest, which is all the women can't stand up to do protest. Then they can't say put the law, say any man will lay hands on woman, that man, when the woman cry out, that man, they will treat the fuck up. Go reach children.
Power tap, guys. Power tap. Yes, we dey hear you, my sister.
This they happen. So we both don't already know. So this is what is going on. So they're going to put law for everybody. If you get husband for house, the day when we say your husband want to kill you, you say no, you don't want to. The man force you. You cry, come out. Even though the man don't marry you, they will put that man for kiri.
God go bless Oyibo people for doing that.
Because it's not new things for them. For Oyibo, it's not new because I waited for it happen before they got put that law. So if woman cry out, they always listen to woman. They always listen to woman more than men. Because they know say the men they maltreat woman very bad in different angles.
Especially like our black men, they do. I can hear you, my sister.
Mama. Never let my blackmail. Oyibo they do too.
Okay.
All this take Oyibo. Not be Jama. All this take Oyibo.
No, they do. No, they hear what they talk. I know they talk in Nigeria. I mean they talk about
the whole place.
No, Mama they say mostly our black men. Now never let our black men. You take Oyibo they do.
Before they slave people, yeah, even the children, you know, they go to school. The parents would suffer the children. They will send out both plenty children. The children will go they work for farm. So that they'll take eat. They will send children may go work for other persons to collect money, come house. That's what they will evolve this country, this will especially for this thing now. I don't even go with many Oyibo.
You know what my husband thought? He said this thing what they thought. So he said don't wash out for documentary.
It's true because me, I didn't go with Oyibo where I have plenty of Oyibo friends. My madrina, which is I don't know what they call madrina for English, like when you want
Godmother.
This guy power tap, guys. Please.
My godmother and a Spanish woman. My children godmother, they be Spanish. So me get my godmother, my children get their own, which is three Spanish women. You understand? So I like to sit with them, discuss with them. They will tell me some things. You know, I dey learn. And maybe they even know say all these things where they exist before. So they can't let me to know say this thing, slavery was existing in their country before. Do you understand? Because now something never happened to you.
You not go no. Now when something happen to you, now you go the feel talk and sha.
You don't go know the law, you don't go know your rights. And the reason why I'm saying this is that some men go think now only beating, I be maltreating. No. Only beating is not my I say my sister. And when you don't, it gets a kind of situation where you will find yourself. Your hair will come open. You say, hey, that's what this thing be. It's not only beating, no. Not say man beat you, say the maltreat and beat and come off. No, the man can maltreat you silently, your mental health.
You not go know what you they do again, self.
You look stupid, you look foolish. You can't question yourself. You can't get depressed. If man make you get depressed, not be everything they talk for social media. When you also say this guy a bad person. You understand? As we did so now, for instance, I know my rights. If man tell me shut up, I vex. When he use that shut up, tell me, he go talk and we'll go see ourselves for court. You
Not be lie, because you don't get experience.
We'll go see ourselves for court for you to even open mouth to tell me shut up. Me, I will not tolerate any rubbish with any man. That is me, because
but Mama, wait oh. Mama, get I want to ask, when man they disrespect and they abuse, the girlfriend know they notice her when they start relationship, you know they notice her.
They know because the cassava they sweet I no go talk. And now some women like cassava pass their life.
Yeah, I tell you one.
I don't understand.
May I tell you one thing, some women, that is for girls, for relationship, the man feel arrogant.
Hello, are you going to contribute? Make I drop this person. I don't know who be this one.
Good evening, guys.
Good evening. Please, somebody is talking mute first. Let our sister finish, then you can talk. My sister
So
continue.
some women, for that aspect, for some women, for relationship that they know, say the man an arrogant person, a rude person. Why some women, they know the man go dey pretend, go dey prepare them. Once they know, say, okay, now the woman don't get better, they can't wait to know the sex of the baby. You understand? You know, okay, now once you don't know the sex of the baby,
Now what be when we want to fall in love with where you are tower, even yama. You can't be patient data because of your picking.
You know, so that time and I we went to Paneneko, the man come bring that you want different character comments. So you might call the one that say, hey, this is not the kind of man, no. Hey, Jesus, you should call the cry, die, no. And that
them there for this die for.
you cannot temper with the pregnancy because not so you boy, not like
The name was one for I move go now, no more you marry. Talk, I hear you.
You don't say Oyibo land, you not like Africa, you get the way you take run now, or a panefua. But here, anything make I don't pass 3 months.
They know they do, now so Germany, now so Germany be, they know they do.
3 months. Or once you reach 3 months, once you reach 3 months, forget about it. And then no, say you cannot do anything because they already tell you the sex of that baby. They will just change character. Why some men at the beginning, the foundation, they change.
Because they tell you say nobody go carry you again, go start bully. Now so some men they do all those one bully. All those one bully. Always you be any ene. More so tone. All those one bully. Do agwani away. Ubiene. Nobody go carry you. Now so some useless men they do. Say you don't be second hand. I lie.
I'm a lie, you lie, Mama.
So can they bully you because you don't born?
Some men they carry person.
Don't forget, say they themselves. When you were here, didn't have a beer. When you were making second hand, they didn't have a second hand.
Mama, you know why? They don't they want to kill the woman's self-confidence.
Yeah.
They want to kill her first. So when they don't kill her, they don't enter the woman. So they use her well. They use her well.
Me, I don't stand for the women, no. Ego me awa gbinana. Anybody no man stand in a women. We not they fool ourselves again. Some men too useless.
And some women also, some women not get sense. Just imagine, if they date a man, maybe he gets S, maybe he wishes baby papa, and which is single father. You date single father, you can't tell you say, hey, my S baby mama, she did this to me, she did that to me, she's bad, she's this.
It go because say you good before, not be like go put for your head.
The man now can condemn the
baby mama. And I be the bad dead, don't I be the wounda. They will can't change and also that they lie, they can't lie.
Mama, the funny part of it. The current get to them use that what they insult the baby mama, on which she did not think twice as a woman. Say, how can this man saying this kind of thing to his ex or his baby mama?
They don't they think now women not be woman problem, my sister.
You understand? Are you getting it? So the call use that is the man saying you're not sweet, you're not good, you're not good.
Mama, my sister no vessel. The only what I did think every day. Say if single mothers go fit they stop to the follow single fathers maybe man go come their life go tell them say I like you but I don't born one girl you're born from because they spoil the girl for me. Me no follow that kind man. Me no follow that kind man.
If you follow.
Because the man get plan. But no, our single mothers, and that one they want follow.
At the end of the job, the women we know we can be with the other one.
So don't they cry. Now me can't love. If they fit do that thing, my sister, all this he can't they bully me.
Power tap.
He can't leave me. He can't they bully me. I can't be single mother for 3 kids, 3 papa. You know they exist again for this show.
Not be lie.
If you fit do one like that.
More they disgrace them. Now what munya ye got
her. Don't fair born. I don't fair born for her before. Now say your girl, I'm not getting interest. Go follow who you born for. Go marry her. You see this thing. It go reduce. It go reduce. You have to have value working here. They'll come they behave well. Because now really women, now we they be problem of ourselves. And they're not supposed to be like that. Make we all learn. Me, I love women past men. The man said, I say, yes, but you marry. My husband, if they do any, I go be single mother. Sorry. Change that for my Anna, you know. I go be single mother. It's easy for you to born one pikin for me, go sit there with you for how many years. If I don't want to leave me from bad man. Now one pikin. Man wey carry me come abroad. I born one for her. Then the man come they maltreat me, misbehave. Then I leave her, come meet my husband. I can't born one for her. And me and my husband daughter, we don't do IVF, we don't try to help her. I say no work. I even tell her, I say go give woman belly. And I me tell her, you understand? Because now if you deal with one pikin, but if they maltreat me because say I not born many children for her, I'll leave her. How go you word do? I you won't tell me what do? Mama, you see and say this your husband.
Yes.
He not come because of something. He come because he love you.
Yes. Now that's why they try to explain. Some people not they know.
Because if he come because of something.
If you don't leave me,
yes. He come because
not be person where you will born 5 children. We go still leave you with your 5 children.
So now sis. He not marry herself.
So now 3. He not love you. If he love you, not do you like that. I want me all women they happy. I want me all women. I bet you me I drop her. I don't know whether you understand me. Man way goody, one way not good. Some people say now children, I think they hold the man and lie. Not be children. More power tap now. More teach our people sense. Not be children they take the whole man. Man way love you, I love you. The one way not love you. Or when we go where you are no dark boy where you no kwebe sungu no kwe gwewa. Wa wo no ye mo kwa we o man can't way.
Some
You
men
they
even
use
dey,
you.
Mama, some men even dey, they'll call the married woman. The woman no one born for them. But with the woman, they wait, they patient. Because
Yes,
they
now
love the
God will
woman.
come bless them. You don't see Grace, Pastor Grace for Facebook. He married his husband more than 10 years. He not born one pikin. But God come bless them with 6 children.
That's what you be.
He just said the man not good. If I don't run leave her no. I meet my husband at the same month where I know now I get belly. But he may me not here easy. Me make be about more. Okay, problem me. You know, say some people different. I heard they talk this. I'm not supposed to, but I want to help my women. Let me they talk her. It's like you born 20 children, 300 children for man. Now bad man, I be bad man. If I let me see correct me, you know, so not be everything that they talk now correct. Now see correct. No go and be ya de supo. I try. Don't go by yourself because of any useless man. We don't love you.
Esther, you say you want your husband go marry another woman because of say you get one pikin. If your husband a bad man, not be where want to say make you go marry another woman. You go to.
Now me if they tell and I want say I can't tell and say I want me my pikin get Oviera because I not fit. You know how much you don't spend for IVF. They don't use her and bully me, oh.
I know. I just say for not the wife mask.
Yeah, they don't use her and bully me. Mo even tell me because of ma. They tell me a whore.
What do you mean no be say, Mama? You don't get one. You don't get boy. You don't get girl.
Yes.
Nothing God no fit do.
If God give me, I'll take it. But if God not give me, but I just want to also support it. Now, good man, nah. Meti do you give me yari aginye wa or it be with Okori.
Now 2 children that you get. Now
2 ne, yeah, boy girl only one. Only my daughter.
Okay, fair born for
another man. The man will carry me come abroad. But that man maltreat me. Let me leave her.
Okay.
Yes. So when I leave, I come meet my husband. My husband is a very good man. Ovie don't know. Ovie don't nikabelele ni wehi. So now me they talk on now. I they use my you can use it against me. I give me rock by you make me rock on table me.
But I don't understand though. You get 2 children. That guy say they bully you say you do IVF, you don't do IVF. I don't understand though.
And the person where they talk to me now so girl, so me I get Mama. Boy, I get gay.
Mama, if I be you, you see they give God thanks.
I dey happy oh, but I was doing all what I was doing because of my husband, because of the way they nice and good. That thing you may be a van, I may even try.
They don't even get.
Yes.
They don't get. So
no, understand me. I was trying to add one to it, not baveva. But in my you go me where I try my best. It not work. I not fit changer. Now God, let me make her tell and say, okay, me you go look for outside.
Maybe you go tell her, leave her like that.
No, now if they talk, I say you no go fit stay. Now it's okay, go. Not what I give you. Go do one.
You don't need that. Nothing God cannot do.
No, I just tell you now the way things be. You use your life. Anybody will insult me, that person now will not get sense. You understand? You they try to explain life for you. Anything life give you, you take it.
Yeah. One thing when we say people don't know, you don't need to use beginning to mock person.
I get children, I get to. Yeah, gun. Yeah, gun.
You get pikin, you get boy, get girl.
Yes, yeah, gun.
You understand?
Makes sense though.
That's what they be. I say, yeah, I have a new one document after how many years you were abroad. My big when you are deporting, me no my passport. Yeah, do I get my we no make it sense. Data game here wa vie o. Iwon mo ibie. You understand? So at times I all look there, I all live there, say any night magba. So women, know your self-worth.
Exactly.
Know your self-worth. Hey, go piakpa do a bully. We are no wa be your main no piakpa.
Because what they see now, when we still young, when they don't they old, the children can't they ask the question. I'm not there Jamio, I'm not there Europe, because things go happen later for future.
Yes, now.
Too much.
Any man will not respect you, born 4 children. You know why I talk with you at all? Because some men still they hold ye be me and not be me no. Why ye go along? Who ye so near? Who ya misbehave?
And God caused them. God caused any man will bring Peking on this earth. You know, take off the Peking. God Almighty.
Why go along?
He caused them. He caused them. They don't know.
Get you call they fine. When man way born only one Peking, sit there with your family, there with your wife, see they respect her. Now let me talk this thing now.
When they talk, don't call the saga person. Don't call they find your picture, they want saga you. It's a curse. A man
It's a cost to you.
It's a curse.
If somebody who have a one child is still there with his wife and he picking, they respect her, you will you get 4 or 5, 3 or 2, you see they misbehave. Please get power time.
Mama, they don't know, say, these children of 18, eh?
That is where I really know, say, children cannot hold any man.
Children are blessing.
I know, say, na blessing, no. If man don't love you, he don't love you. If he love you with respect and cherish you. Children cannot hold a man. That is what I'm trying to say. That is the point I'm saying. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say.
That's when you're born Peking. When you're born Peking, when you're abandoned, keep mama. You the worker you want to go.
Children cannot hold a man, no. Like you born 10, 20. Juiceless man will still be a juiceless man.
Of course.
You are normal man on sungu. Almost so sungu but then never. Because you don't burn everything for her. Well, you go along. No, wait till you they find.
No, no for them. Like if you say they go young forever.
Oh, yeah, go away.
You cannot young forever. You one day you go old.
You go old. Hook your mind. So, if man love you, cherish and respect that man. You get 1 Peking, you get 2, you get 3, respect that man. You get 5, respect that man, because a big piano near my boy, it can a big man or bussevoy. We are done on soon.
For me, Mama.
Where the never no go and be at the super busse.
For me, our African, our Nigerian ladies, they are not that bad. They are not bad people. They are good people.
Not only for you, for me too.